Hello, peoples. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing a food review for you. And today, we're doing something very different, which I think I came out on tops with. I got 2 cheeseburgers and 1 hamburger for a low price of $5. And to them, I added bacon on two cheeseburgers, and also I've ordered 3 hash browns to pimp these burgers up. So all in all, it cost me $18 to pimp it, but the actual burgers cost me only $5. So playing around with the deal, I pulled it off. I'm amazed. So, what do we got here? 1 grilled slip. What earth is that? That's the cheeseburgers in there. And another cheeseburger. And that's a cheeseburger with a rash. That's a hamburger, that second one was. And the first one was a cheeseburger. So these 2 are cheeseburgers, and that is a hamburger. Not very big, that's why I'm going to pimp them, right? There's the whole point behind it. One of which, so let's get started. So where do I start? Well, first off, the cheeseburger with a rash, well, a hash brown, sorry. That's also got bacon in it, oddly enough, cooked, and with some onions and cheese. Woohoo! So that's set aside for the moment. And the other one, the other cheeseburger, same deal. Bacon, not so many onions, and then the cheese and a gherkin with some sauce. Both exactly the same. So now the idea behind this is to pimp them. So to fill them out, I get a hash brown. And these are very oily, by the way. But, of course, it's stuck to the packet. Good on you, McDonald's.